Short double O, oo, and long double O, oo sound words. Short double O, oo sound words. Book, book, hook, wood, hood, foot. Long double O, oo sound words. Pool, wool,